Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD panel on a Realme 9 Pro. I'll show you the whole process in a very simple way. So let's get started. After opening the back cover, I'll disconnect the battery connector and the display connector. Then I'll test the new display to make sure it's working properly. Yes, it's working perfectly. Now we'll permanently install the display. First, we'll remove the broken or damaged old display. To remove the glue, I'll apply some alcohol around the edges of the display. Then, I'll use a display lifter to carefully remove the broken display. Then, I'll clean the area properly and connect the new display connector. Then I'll reconnect the battery. Now I'll check it once again to make sure everything is working properly, because once we install the back cover, opening it again can be quite difficult. Yes, it's working perfectly. Now, I'll install the back cover and put all the screws back in place. But first, I'll clean the cameras properly. Now, I'll apply some glue around the edges and press the back cover into place. Now, I'll put 5 to 6 rubber bands around the phone to hold the back cover firmly in place. I'll keep the rubber bands on until the glue sets properly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.